Well, one of 6 teams is going to have the right to enter Olmec's temple. And when you look into my eyes, you know that every single time it will be the Purple Parrots! And I'm coming April 9th to Spencer, West Virginia, Route 33 Wrestling. And when I tell you the road to Spencer from Orlando, Florida, it's been filled with a lot of turmoil for the Purple Parrot Colin Sheen. You can't imagine the depression, the humiliation that you feel when you lose on a children's game show. But when you're down in the gutters of Universal Studios, there's nowhere to go but up. And I listened for the call. I heard it from all the little parrots in the Orlando metro area, and they were saying to me, Parrot, you've got to get your redemption. You've got to earn your respect back. You've got to become the fightingest professional wrestler that there has ever been. And that's exactly what I have done. Party Ghoul, Slash Gallagher, and for that matter, every team that we may encounter in that tournament for Route 33 Wrestling's Tag Team Championship. No doubt that it's a crowded class of contenders. But let me guarantee all of you something. The Purple Parrot Colin Sheen has spent his entire life detecting and avoiding crap. From the bullying I experienced as a kid to all these people who barely know me trying to get me in their MLMs. There is nothing you can put me through that I can't find a way out of. And with my buddy Kamen MK by my side, we will duck, we will swerve, we will scratch, we will claw, we will climb, we will jump. We will be the new Route 33 Wrestling Tag Team Champions and Kamen, pal, to top it all off. In our victory celebration, you can be my companion when we go to Space Camp.